Hi, I'm Charlee Atkins, creator of Well+Sweat. This is the 5-minute barefoot arms and abs presented by Well+Good and Kalia by Carrie Underwood. We're going to do 5 exercises, 40 seconds each with a 10-second recovery. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, bear to plank. Let's go ahead and start the clock. Starting in our bear position, all I'm gonna be doing is just walking my feet back and I'm coming right into a plank. Now I'm gonna give you some form cues as I walk through these. Again, each exercise will be done for 40 seconds, 10-second recovery. Form cues, shoulders are right over the wrist. I don't wanna keep my butt up in the air, I wanna keep it nice and low. So as I walk my knees up, I wanna make sure that they are right underneath my hips. We are working on the arms and abs, so every time I walk my feet up, I wanna fire up the core. Coming into the last final few. Booty stays low, core stays engaged, and there you go. Next exercise that we're gonna move into is the push-up plus a Superman. So I'm gonna be coming right back down onto my mat, lowering all the way down, thumbs are by my armpits, I'm just gonna come into a push-up, lower down, Superman, Superwoman, and then right back up. When I come into that Superwoman, make sure that you fire up the glutes, chest is lifting up off the mat, and you're just lowering down and lifting right back up. Great thing about this exercise is we are barefoot, so you can do this anywhere, anytime. Each exercise, 40 seconds, 10-second recovery. Coming into the last 2 seconds. My last one, pushing up, right. Next exercise after this, we're gonna be doing the triple crunch. I'm gonna flip over, coming onto my back. Knees are gonna be bent, hands are going behind my head. I'm gonna do 3 crunches. Hands come down by my hips, followed by 3 reverse crunches. Now you don't wanna strain your neck, so as you do the 3 regular crunches, head is gonna come down to the mat, and then go ahead and lift up using the lower abs. Triple crunch. Always use the breath. Again, when I am doing those reverse crunches, sorry, I have to take a second in between those. These are getting challenging. I'm trying to use my lower abs to lift my hips up. Regular crunch and reverse crunch. One more time, and there you go. All right, next exercise, this one is a doozy, I apologize in advance. It is the one arm alternating mountain climber. Starting in push-up plank position, right hand is gonna stay put, left hand is behind my back, bringing my knee in for 1, 2, 3, switching over. 1, 2, 3. Now this one is gonna take a lot of balance, but again, woohoo, there goes the balance. Told ya. But again, we're working on the arms and the abs. I'm gonna focus. Few more seconds left to go. Ooh, that left side is a doozy. Recovered. Oh man, made it. Last exercise of the set. Coming right back to my back. So I'm gonna rest here on my knees. I wanna be holding a boat pose or a V pose. Flex the feet so that you don't overstress the hip flexors. And I'm just gonna take circles. Last exercise of the set. Now you don't want to go all the way in one direction, so I'm going to switch my circle. Can't believe we're already almost done. If you can, see if you can lift the chest up towards the ceiling. And again, just drawing circles with the heels, feet are flexed. Reverse direction. Oh my gosh, it's really working. Final few, oh, and she made it. And there you have it. I don't know about you, but I am worked. Thanks for sweating with us. We'll see you next time on the mat.